doing Blue Walking. Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with the 20 Things by Leigh. And I have Leigh stuck on me. Yeah, on my nails. So today is day three of the Advent calendar. So let's move this out of the way and get busy with it. So I'll show you one and two at the end. Here's the Advent calendar, and I have my mini impress sitting right here, and I have my mat board to put stuff on. I have this on the table. I'm leaving my setup just like this and coming in every morning and crafting for 30 minutes or so, and then going back to the house and doing stuff. Because it's Christmas time. I'm busy, 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 busy. I'm still like on a very high from the create that we did in November. So this is day three. So let's push it out and see what tag we have and what we're going to make. I don't want to lose that little piece, so I'm going to find some tape. Tape that back. I don't know why I'm going to say this box. I didn't know why. Anna's got us on a chokehold about saving all her stuff. But hey, I'm using it now. I'm using stuff, and I said, you know what? She comes out with prettier stuff every year, and it gets better and better. And why save it? Let's just use it, and I'll order more. So here it is. Here's today's tag that we're gonna make. It's a little Christmas present every day for me. So we're gonna cut this in half. We get this string every time. When I make more, because I'm going to make more of these, I'm going to put it all on my big plate system with the impress, and I'm going to cut and make a lot at one time and use lace and pull out of my stash. So there's the small one. There's the large one. Whoa, look at that. That is so pretty. Let's see what that's going to look like. And then this time, instead of a hole, it's a little square piece, which wants to get lost already, I can tell. So here's green and red. So in Creates before, we have been able to make a shadow and put this on top. Put this on top and make a shadow and then put it on here. Oh, I got a phone call. Let me tell them I'm making a video. Hold on. This happens every other day, doesn't it? Hey, you got your hair cut. I'm making a video, baby. But you look so cute with that haircut. Yes, lovey. What? Smelly Smurf? You're silly, really. Yes, it makes me so happy. I'm going to call you back in 20 minutes. Y'all stay together, okay? Okay, bye-bye. See, guys, I would edit that out, but I don't know how to edit. So, anyway, in Create and in different stuff, we can make a border by cutting it like that and then placing it on here, which we could do. Or let's just make a regular tag, and then when I make more, I'll make a tutorials when we add lace and we add a lot of other stuff. Okay, so let's just stay basic. So we're going to do the same as the last 2 days. I'm going to get I have everything sitting right here because I'm only crafting just a little bit every day. So it's nice to walk in and all I have to do is turn on the computer, not laptop, but the computer, and start working. I could flip this over. Let's see. Is it magnetic enough? Yeah, let's flip that over and get rid of that. Excuse me. Okay, so we're going to put this here. And we're going to put that right there. I don't know if it's magnetic enough to tell you the truth. We're going to put this here and we're going to get a little piece. And let's Gotta go the other way. I don't know if that's gonna be magnetic enough, so I'll have a new one I'll break out for tomorrow. Put that here. Or do we want, yeah, let's bring it up a little. Put that there. It is wanting to move. Okay, what color are we gonna use this? I think gold. Let me grab my stash. See, you never know when you're gonna need a little piece. And I think gold will be good for this one. And is that all we need to do for cutting the first one? I think it is. Okay. But we're gonna have to cut it several times for that little square hole. Right. Let's make sure nothing moves. I'm thinking it's moving on this back side. I may have to flip it back around. But I'm gonna try it. Try to pick it up. And I'm gonna pinch, 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 and it runs quicker. Let me turn my machine on. All right, machine. Let me plug my machine in. I unplugged it. It got unplugged. I don't know what I touched. But tomorrow, I don't know. I'll just live with this mat. I don't know what I use anyway. Okay. So tomorrow we'll do better. All right. So we're gonna take that off. Oops. Let's stick it right where it belongs so we don't lose it. Wow. That's pretty. It's this little thing. We're gonna lose that, aren't we, people? This right here is from Anna Griffin. It's her magnetic holder. And see how it made that hole? Okay. I think it was doable. Okay. So now we're gonna cut the second one. Remember, we can make a border, and I'll do that on more videos. I think I'm going to say, you know what? I'm going to craft 30 minutes each day and come back to these. And let's go up here. All right, let's get another piece of gold because it's so pretty and it'll bounce off. So, oh, it'll fit in that little piece. See, you wouldn't think to save these little pieces, but you can and you should. All right, so we're ready to cut the second one. Pinch it so nothing wants to move. Ooh, got it. Yeah, I thought it moved. Put it in. All right, let's put it in our impress. If you haven't ever seen one before, there you go. Pick one. And since I'm worried about the magnetic not being as magnetic-y pulling, I'm really pinching it. Normally, I don't worry about it on her regular dies, but this little die right here is what wants to give the trouble. So we'll put that back. We're done with that, and we're done with that one. We're going to put that there. We have to reuse that little tiny one, and we're done with this one. So we're going to put this one back where it belongs. And I'm going to pick that up. So let's move this out of the way. And only because I have it right here, I'm going to try to do both at one time. I know it'll cut, but I just want it to be straight. And we're going to put it right there. And run this through. And since this is such a little mat, it goes very fast. I think it takes 8 seconds. So yeah, it worked. Didn't it? Yes. Okay. So there we go, guys. Now we're just going to decorate. Did you hear my grandson? He loves to say Smurf and smelly Smurf. And yeah, he he's a little character. Um, but he has a hard time with six, and he struggles saying the SM lettering, and so that's why he knows to make me happy. He just got out of school and went and got a haircut with Johnny, my husband, his pawpaw, and I'm a Mimi, and so let's put Pop Dots on me. So we found out that's the only thing that didn't come with the Advent calendar was the Pop Dots, but I have twins from her kits, so I'm not worried about it. And you can use cardboard or extra paper to make it thicker if you don't have Pop Dots. But Axel loves to um, call me right after school, and he must be in a very good mood. He got his hair cut. He was on FaceTime. He was so cute. He needed it. Okay, so what are we going to do? We know that I don't trust the glue on my Pop Dots because of the moisture in the air and the rain and snow and everything. So I glue it onto the card and then glue that. So we're going to do this. How are we going to center this? Put it like that. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Let's see. I should not have done all those Pop Dots because I've got to lay it on. So I took two off and then I'm going to lay it on like this. Okay? And then I'm going to put for you like that. That's what I'm going to do on the first one. I didn't even look at it. Um, see how it would work. I just started gluing. So always lay your project out and make sure you like it before you glue it down with hot glue. Which, okay, if you made that mistake, you can always use your heat gun and release it. So there's that. That's okay. I don't know if it's my favorite, but it's what I did. And then this, I think I'm going to put right here. So I'm going to pop dot on each end um, to raise it, to keep it raised like that. I think I'm only going to do that. It's going to be basic. Okay. So there's that one. There's this. Now, do we want this going to and from where they have to pick through and see it and leave it on the back? And you can decorate the back too. If you do that, then definitely decorate the back. But I'm going to turn it around and tie it together. Like I said on the other videos, I'm only going to barely tie this in a knot because I don't know what I'm going to tie it to and I don't want to get a knot in there that I can't get done. I'm not as happy with this one because I didn't lay it out and look at it first. I mean, it's cute, but I think I could do better on the second one. So, the second one. I already got the Pop Dots on this, and I already got the Pop Dots on that. Now, how are we going to do this to make it look better? Or are we? Or can we? Or should we? So, do we just put that there and put Happy Holidays? Let's do that. Let's totally change that this time. Gluing it on the side so it touches the cardstock and Pop Dot. We are going to put this right in the center. And we do have 2 seconds. I'm going to put this here so we need Pop Dots on each end and lay this right on there. So, but you do have like 2 seconds to be able to move around the hot glue before it really sticks to whatever you're doing it to. Um, it does, you know, you have more time with wet glue that you have a second or two. Let's make sure it's going the right direction. We're going to put happy holidays right like that. Then on this one, we're going to make them have to look inside for it, and we're going to put this on the back. So that's a little different this time. And you can make two dies out of this instead of making one tag, gift tag, not die, gift tag. We can make two gift tags out of this one if you don't put them together. All right, still the same problem. My fingernails are getting too long, or it's just hard to get these little tapes off. All right, we're done. We got it off. I don't know if this is a sticker underneath. I don't think it is, but I'm not. If it was, I would not pull off the sticker because it would end up getting that matched. That kind of faded into it, didn't it? Should have cut that out. Anyway, still looks good. What not to do. I say that on a lot of my videos. This is what not to do um, on this video. So anyway, there you go. So you would have to look to and from, and there is the video for this one. And if you open it all up at one time, then you can mix and match, which I'm going to mix and match all mine. So there's today's. There is day, this is going one way and this is going the other. This is a day 2, day 3, and here is day 1 right here. So this is day 1. So there is the project. So what do you think, guys? I liked it. Alrighty, I'm going to go back and call little Axel. Everyone have a blessed day. All my links are down below. Bye-bye.